When you want to stay on top of your finances with up to the minute updates, real time alerts, and the Chase mobile app gives you notifications as soon as transactions happen. Let's walk through how to turn these alerts on quickly and easily. Start by opening the Chase mobile app and signing in. Once you're in, tap the person icon, typically found in the upper right corner that takes you to your profile. From there, select Manage Alerts under the Alerts and Messages section. Well, next, you'll see a list of your accounts, checking savings, credit cards. Tap on the specific account you want to enable real time alerts for. You'll see options like transactions, withdrawals, low balance, and more. To activate real time alerts, toggle on the transactions alert or any other you want instantaneous updates for. Then choose your preferred delivery method, push notifications, text, or email. Before you are done, double check that push notifications are enabled for the Chase app in your phone's overall settings. That is notifications, Chase, Android, like you can see on the screen. This ensures your phone actually displays those alerts. But finally, tap Save or Apply Changes to confirm your alert settings. From now on, when a transaction posts on the account, you'll get a notification in real time, helping you catch charges, fraud, or account changes right away.